Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Shiva Bioinfo. In this video I am going to share the list of best machine learning books available. This recommendation was based on website Towards AI, which analyzed more than 8,000 machine learning books and handpicked best books in terms of depth, technicality, and other factors. The first book is Data Mining: Practical Machine Learning Tools and Techniques. Major focus of this book is technical aspect of machine learning algorithms. Best for big data and machine learning enthusiasts. This book covers clustering, regression techniques, knowledge representation, data mining techniques. Next book is Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. It is one of the best book if you wish to start career in machine learning. This book covers fundamental concepts of ML and its applications. Representation of data, suggestions to improve ML skills. Next book is The 100-Page Machine Learning Book. This book is best for both beginners and experts. It covers fundamental concepts of machine learning and also other concepts like supervised, unsupervised learning, neural network, deep learning, etc. Next book is Natural Language Processing with Python. If you are interested in NLP, this book is perfect for you. It covers code examples in Python, analysis of popular NLP datasets, natural language toolkit library. Next book is Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras and TensorFlow. This big book is best for both beginners and experts. It covers neural networks, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, etc. This book make you dive deep into deep learning and solve real-world problems. The next book is TinyML. This interesting book teaches how to build tiny machine learning applications in tiny devices. Finally, the best among the best book is Machine Learning by Tom M. Mitchell. This book is best for beginners. It covers machine learning mathematical concepts, techniques, models. Machine learning in a mathematical and statistical way. One more interesting thing about this book is, it is included as syllabus book in many prestigious and various research universities. Next we will see top 3 free books. This book gives a good introduction to statistical learning with R. Refer the description for the link to download this book for free. This book written by renowned authors, it uses real case scenarios with major focus on data visualization and mining. Finally, the best book titled Machine Learning Yearning, authored by Andrew Ng. Even if you are a beginner, you may definitely knows this famous author. In this book he explains machine learning concepts with real case scenarios and ML projects are discussed. Refer description for download links, and most of the books you can buy from many online bookstores. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.